The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is a beast, boasting a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8 engine. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Today I will share the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 overview, performance powerhouse, engineering marvel, design and features, comparisons and competition, pricing and future prospects. So, let's enjoy. With 1,064 horsepower and 828 pound-feet of torque, it reaches over 215 miles per hour and conquers a quarter mile in under 10 seconds. When equipped with the ZTK package, it has over 1,200 pounds of downforce. The new ZR1 is, in other words, a monster. Typically the most powerful car in the VET lineup, it's no surprise this ZR1 is a heavy hitter. But more than 1,000 GP is a first for the Corvette. The ZR1's engine, known as the LT7, shares its block casting with the Z06's LT6, but features unique components. Other components, like the ZR1 suspension, are similar to lesser C8ES. In fact, the ZR1 shares a lot with the Z06 underneath. It's not as hardcore of a track car, but the max downforce enabling ZTK package means it will tear apart your local circuit. New forged pistons, all new heads, and a different crankshaft contribute to a lower compression ratio. Twin ball-bearing turbochargers with electronic wastegates ensure minimal turbo lag. Equipped with the ZTK package, the ZR1 generates over 1,200 pounds of downforce. It includes a massive rear wing, front dive planes, and a gurney lip. Carbon fiber wheels and carbon ceramic brake rotors keep the weight surprisingly low at 3,670 pounds for the coupe. The ZR1 outperforms the Tesla Model S Plaid by 44 horsepower and weighs 1,000 pounds less. The coupe version has a dry weight of 3,670 pounds, while the convertible comes in at 3,758 pounds dry. It's shockingly light. It also boasts a better power-to-weight ratio than the Bugatti Veyron, making it a formidable contender in the high-performance car arena. While Chevrolet hasn't announced pricing, the ZR1 is expected to be the most expensive Corvette yet, possibly around $150,000. Driving the most powerful factory Corvette ever will undoubtedly be nuts, but it will come at a price. Chevy has yet to say how much this car will cost, but it's fair to assume it will be the most expensive VET in history. With its impressive combustion engine, the ZR1 may not be the last innovation in the C8 lineup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you loved this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.